Hi, Jordan Wilson with CasterHQ, and today we're talking about our mounting hardware for our plate casters. Now, a lot of caster websites don't offer mounting hardware, and I realized quite a few years ago that that was a pretty big gap missing in the industry. And at CasterHQ, we wanted to make it a convenience for our customers to shop with us, so we wanted to be kind of a one-stop shop. So when you order your casters, you have the choice to add on mounting hardware. That way, when your order arrives at your door, everything's ready to install, and that's going to save you a trip to the hardware store. What we wanted to do at Caster headquarters is we wanted to look at different types of mounting hardware commonly found on different types of carts and toolboxes that are out there, and even equipment. So we did some very extensive research, and we found out that there is two different types of mounting bolts that is commonly used across the board. And so our mounting hardware should fit 99% of most equipment, carts, and toolboxes. So when you order a mounting hardware, let me give you an example. This caster is a 6x2 caster, 6-inch diameter, 2-inch tread width, and it comes with an industry standard 4x4.5 mounting plate. These holes are slotted, but these take 3/8 bolts. So what we did is we put together a kit, and we have different types of kits on our website. But all of our kits are going to come with both styles of hardware, which is going to eliminate the chance that you receive the wrong hardware. You're going to receive two different styles. So you will receive both styles, and this one's called a carriage bolt. We have seen the carriage bolt used in a lot of job box toolboxes and different types of equipment. And then we have the slotted hex bolt as well. So you're going to receive both styles, and you're going to receive a nylon lock nut right here, and you're going to receive the matching washer. No matter what, you're going to be able to find a bolt that fits your application. We didn't want to offer just one style, and then let's say you get your order and you need the different style of mounting bolts for your equipment, and then you have to go through that whole return process and wait for the right hardware to show up. Since we manufacture these bolts in such large quantities, we were able to offer basically kind of like a 2-for-1 deal, where you're going to pay for the price of one set of mounting hardware, but you're going to get two different styles. So after you install the mounting hardware of your choice on the casters, you're going to be left with one style of leftover hardware that you can use for your next project. But I just want to go over basically the types of hardware that you will receive when you order these from our website, and kind of explain to you about the convenience factor, just saving you a trip to the hardware store. It's going to save you time, gas, money in general, and just be a big convenience. As soon as these casters arrive at your door, everything is here ready to install. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful on our mounting hardware, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We do try to release helpful caster and wheel tutorials at least once or twice a week on different subjects. But anyways, thanks for watching.